All right, today me and Mickey bringing back this little ATC70. We're putting in a 110 electric start in it, a brand new electric start motor. We have the whole harness right here. We're putting on the battery box. We're taking out the old motor. We're gonna put new tires, plastic kit, a new plastic for it, a new redone one, a new seat. All right, so look at them actually working. Wow, such a hard-working man today. I gotta drill out these holes, the battery box. All right, come on. Put this. Why every time I get a damn tool, it's always dead? Every fucking time. Let's see. Let's get this battery. There's that one. All right, so we're gonna put the battery box here under the plastic so it's not in the way. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Better relax. All right, get some bolts. Get some bolts real quick. Get some nuts. See. Or actually, let me put some Loctite on these real quick. Yeah, that's a lot of Loctite. I'll put a shitload. It's all right, so it don't fall off. I don't want it to fall off. Okay. Oops. There's that one. There's this one. Man, there we go. Battery box installed. See, we gotta take out this motor. Did you already take out the...
No.
No?
Gotta take the exhaust off.
Oh yeah, take the exhaust off, the foot peg little thing.
That one's loose, but you can't get the...
And then I need the 10.
Oh yeah, use that one and then hold up.
Oh, I just need to take out this side cover.
What is that, color 2?
Need this? Or which one? 14?
What is it? Got this motor mount, and then I think there's another one right there.
Yeah, there's another one. It's right here.
That one, yeah. But I need
Oh, I gotta take the cover off first for it. Pull this cover. Okay. Got the cover out of the way. Then I gotta get Alright, got the motor in. Just 2 bolts, just like the original one. Got the coil sitting on there right now. I got the carburetor for it. We're using a PZ20, and then we're using an ATV manifold, so it fits right in there. It'll fit in there perfect. So that's what we're going to be using. And yeah, we'll go on to the next stuff. That's all it is so far. Got the tire for this one, the ripped one. That thing's like trash. Alright you guys, this is the first fire up of the Atc70 with the 110. Has a Chinese 110 motor in it. It's electric start, so we changed it. PZ20 carburetor. Everything bolts up, sits in the factory locations. It uses everything off a 110 quad. We have everything. I put a battery tray on it, so now I can hold the battery. All I have to do is extend the power and the ground wire. But it has its key switches, off and on, same throttle. Starts right up. Now it's running. And then we're just waiting on the seat and the other stuff. The seat and we have the plastic, we're waiting on the seat. And then it's done. And that's it. So thanks you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe. We have more videos for you guys.